Welcome. I know your mind is busy right now. Racing thoughts, mental chatter, a million things competing for attention. That's okay. That's why you're here. For the next 10 minutes, we're going to calm all of that down. Give your mind the rest it's craving. Let's begin. Get comfortable. Sit or lie down. Close your eyes. If that feels good, place your hands somewhere they can rest, on your lap, by your sides. Feel the support beneath you, the ground, the chair, the bed. You are held. You are safe. You can let go. Take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. Let it be a sigh. Release. One more time. Breathe. In and out. Already, something is shifting. You're here now. Present. Ready. We're going to use a simple breathing technique called box breathing. It's used by Navy SEALs to stay calm under pressure. Breathe in for 4. 4, hold 4, 4. Out for 4. Hold 4, 4. Like tracing a square with your breath. Let's practice together. Breathe in 2, 3, 4. Hold 2, 3, 4. Out 2, 3, 4. Hold 2, 3, 4. Breathe in 2, 3, 4. Hold 2, 3, 4. Out 2, 3, 4. Hold 2, 3, 4. Breathe in 2, 3, 4. Hold 2, 3, 4. Out 2, 3, 4. Hold 2, 3, 4. Breathe in 2, 3, 4. Hold 2, 3, 4. Out 2, 3, 4. Hold 2, 3, 4. Beautiful. Notice how your mind is already quieter. The simple act of counting gives your mind something to do, something other than worry. Now let your breath return to its natural rhythm. No more counting, just breathing in and out. Notice the difference. Your mind is calmer. Your body is softer. You've created space. Let's ooze it. Imagine your mind is like the sky. Thoughts are like clouds passing through. Some clouds are dark and heavy. Some are light and wispy. But they all pass. The sky itself, your awareness, is always clear, always spacious. You are not your thoughts. You are the sky watching the clouds go by. When a thought arrives, notice it. Don't fight it. Don't follow it. Just notice it. Oh, there's a thought about work. There's a worry about tomorrow. And then let it drift away, like a cloud. You don't have to grab onto every thought that passes through. You can just let them go. As thoughts slow down, you'll notice something beautiful. Space. Gaps between thoughts. These gaps are where peace lives. In the space between thoughts, there is no worry, no planning, no problem to solve. Just peace. Rest in these spaces, even for a moment. Feel how different your mind feels now. Quieter, calmer, more spacious. This is always available to you. This calm, this peace. Anytime your mind gets busy again, come back to your breath. Come back to the sky. Come back to this moment. The calm is always here, waiting. Take a moment to anchor this feeling. Place your hand on your heart if you'd like. This calm you feel right now, it's yours. You created it. You can create it again, anytime. Your breath is the key. Your awareness is the tool. You have everything you need. In a moment, we'll return to your day, but bring this calm with you. Start to wiggle your fingers and toes, gentle movements. Roll your shoulders. Take a deep breath in and out, no rush. When you're ready, slowly blink your eyes open. Thank you for taking this time for yourself, for choosing calm over chaos. Your mind needed this rest, and you gave it that gift. May you carry this peace with you. May you return to your breath whenever you need to. You are calm. You are capable. You are at peace. Until next, Chimi.